So here is the regional terms, names with specific body areas. The body planes and section. When preparing to look at the internal structures of the body, the medical students make a section or a cut. When the section is made up through the body wall or through an organ, it is made along an imaginary line called a plane. Because the body is in three-dimensional, so we can refer to the three types of planes or sections that lie the right angles to one another. The three types of plane or section. The sagittal section, it is cut along the lengthwise or longitudinal plane of the body, dividing the body into the right and left parts. So imagine, you cut your body lengthwise, dividing into the left and right parts. If the cut is down the median plane of the body and the right and left parts are equal in size, it is called as the median or mid-sagittal section. So if you cut the body in an equal parts, the left and the right, it is called as mid-sagittal. But if you cut the body in a lengthwise and longitudinal, dividing it is right and left not equal, it is called as the sagittal section. The next, it is the frontal section. The frontal section is a cut along a lengthwise planes that divides the body or organ into the anterior or posterior parts, or it is called as the coronal section. So if you cut the body lengthwise, then there is a back and front part that is called as the frontal section. Another section is transverse. It is a cut along a horizontal plane, dividing the body or organ into a superior and inferior parts. It is called as a cross section. So if you cut the body, the upper extremities and the lower extremities, that is called as a transverse section or a cross section. You divide the body or organ into a superior and inferior parts. So this is the illustration of the anatomical position and planes of the body, the median, the frontal, and the transverse with corresponding magnetic resonance imaging scans.